The trial of Agriculture Principal Secretary Richard Lesiyampe and former Managing Director at the National Cereals and Produce Board NCPB Newton Tira among other suspects over the purchase of 2 million bags of maize will start on Monday. The senior government officials are accused of conspiring to defraud the agency of Sh 468.9 million meant for farmers through irregular purchase of maize at the North Rift Depot. Dr. Lesiyampe, Mr. Tira and NCPB General Manager Finance Cornel Kiprotich denied a total of 7 counts in the purchase of the maize meant for the Strategic Food Reserve. Dr. Lesiyampe denied 3 counts of failure to comply with laws and procedures relating to the management of public funds, being the accounting officer and the administrator of the Strategic Food Reserve Fund. They are accused of failing to adhere to provisions of Public Finance Management Act by incurring an expenditure of Sh 5.6 billion for the 2017-18 financial year without approval from the Strategic Food Reserve Oversight Board's FROB. It is alleged that he committed the offence between October 2017 and April 2018. Mr. Tira is alleged to have failed to ensure compliance with NCPB guidelines on grain intake operations and as a result went beyond the SFROB-approved budget. Mr. Kiprotich on his part denied charges of neglect of official duty after failing to ensure that funds allocated for the purchase of maize from registered and vetted farmers are spent in accordance with the NCPB board guidelines on grain operations intake. Other suspects named in the charge sheet include the accounts clerk at NCPB, Eldoret Depot Ms. Caroline Kipchoj Cherono, Eldoret Silo Manager Renson Kabet Kora, Records Officer Mr. Eric Kipkatotilam and County Director Agriculture Joseph Kipito Cheboy. They face charges of willful failure to comply with the law relating to management of public property, unauthorized spending of public funds, conspiracy to defraud and neglect of official duty. Others are Ms. Virginia Waymathanjaroj, Mr. Willie Kipkoch Sang, Ms. Celestine Chepchurcher, Mr. Paul Kipigamaris, Ms. Caroline Chepkumba, Mr. Stephen Kiprop, Mr. Peter Churcher and Mr. David Banjatani Kora.